Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about how you can save money on your car insurance premiums. Let's dive right in. First, shop around and compare quotes. Insurance rates vary significantly between providers, so use online tools or consult brokers to find the best deal. Next, increase your deductible. Opting for a higher deductible can lower your premium, but make sure you can afford the out-of-pocket cost if you need to file a claim. Another great tip is to bundle your policies. Combining your car insurance with home or renter's insurance can often lead to significant discounts. Don't forget to maintain a good credit score. Many insurers use credit scores to determine premiums, so keeping yours healthy can save you money. Also, take advantage of discounts. Ask your insurer about safe driver discounts, low mileage discounts, or even discounts for taking defensive driving courses. Lastly, review your coverage annually. Your needs may change over time, so reassess your policy to ensure you're not overpaying for unnecessary coverage. And that's it. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to saving money on car insurance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.